This is gold. Um, so let me show you how it is in daily time frame. In daily, as I've already said, it's in a daily. It's in a rising wedge. If you see, have a closer look. So this is the rising wedge here. This is I have drawn a lot of terms. Give me a second. Yeah, yeah. Then here, right now, I'll do a little zoom in here to show the behavior. Yeah, we have a look here, closer look. So this was high, then low, then this is a higher high, and this is previous low. So in the daily, this low is this is a support. This is very strong support. Where one, two, three, four, even including yesterday, there is a strong support here. There is a strong price rejection, and this level couldn't break. And on overall, one, two, three, four, five, six, roughly in case if it is five trading sessions. So one, two, three, four, five, six. Sorry, six trading sessions. The six trading sessions, these daily support, the market couldn't break at this level. So once this breaks, this is a daily wedge, and as I said, the daily wedge target. One second, let me draw. Yeah. So the daily wedge target would be this one, roughly in here. Uh, here. Okay, if that breaks. So now what happens in 4 hour? Let's see closer look in 4 hour. In 4 hour, in my previous video, I have mentioned that there is a double top and there is a neckline break, and the target is here, and then this is a 4 hour support in here, and there is a head and shoulder pattern here. So head and shoulder, yeah, here. So left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So even this target is in here, and there is an head and shoulder pattern in daily as well, but that hasn't broke yet. I'll show that, okay, let me show now, right now, yeah. This is left shoulder, this is head, and this is the right shoulder just formed, but this didn't break. As I said, if this level breaks, that is 1981.71. If this level breaks daily, strong red candle forms and then closes below this. The close of a candle is below this level. Then there is a head and shoulder pattern breakout in daily as well. So the fall of this would be right till here, which have drawn the wedge target, the rising wedge target, which I've drawn here. So till that level, it can fall. The market can fall. So from here, this is head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so one is that. The other which I've said is, if breaks below this, there is one head and shoulder pattern. One breaks today, it's an rising wedge breakout, and the target of both head and shoulder and rising wedge are both as marked the same level here. And let's see what's happening, what's cooking in 4 hour. So what happens in 4 hour? Let me remove this. In 4 hour, this was the range bound the last 5 to 6 trading sessions, means the market hasn't broke this high and hasn't broke this low as well. So what happens is, this looks like a symmetric triangle. The market is moving like this. So the market can further move in this range. I don't know how far the market will move. Once the market breaks it, either way, in case if market breaks high, it will go high. Once if the market breaks below, and it will go further down. So the target of this, once it breaks out, whether in case if breaks upward, the target would be this, like this. You can just copy the mouth and then paste it at the breakout area, and similarly like this here. Assuming that the breakout will happen here, like one, two, three, one, two, two, three, three, four, four. Should be here. In case if this breaks here, this is my expectation. So usually the breakout happens the after the fourth or fifth touch point. Roughly, if that breaks here, the head and shoulder pattern which I've drawn a daily, the same level which is the wedge target, and even this breakout target will also be pointing out. So give or take, the targets are maybe vary from $1 or $2 roughly, but the target is the same in case if that breaks. So that is a very crucial level in daily, which is 1981.71. That dollar level is a very crucial level if that breaks. But in the lower time frame, as I said, the market is in a what do we call, in a triangle, symmetric triangle, which looks like range bound in higher time frames. So once these markets moves up in this higher and low, where there is a breakout, wait for the breakout. Once there is a breakout, you can take up a position. So wait for at least a 4 hour breakout. In case if the triangle breaks out, the probability of the triangle to break out at lower side is looks higher, because the market has to correct for some, and then it should go for a rally. So that's what my projections are. In that point, I feel that the market will break for the maximum probability to break is downward. Once if this breaks downward, as I said, the wedge, the rising wedge in daily, and then the inverted head and shoulder, I'm sorry, the head and shoulder pattern in daily, and the 4 hour symmetric triangle in 4 hour. So all these targets points out to the same level. And on any matters, wait for the 4 hour breakout. So then you can take out the direction, whether you have to go for a buy or for a sell. And anybody who's trading in less than 4 hour time frame, and this is one suggestion which I could give in. So you can, so this is one diagonal resistance, and this is a diagonal support in which the current market is moving. So keep these in mind, and as a support and resistance, go for the lower time frames. If you see here, the market has broke this, which will we have an hour, right? So we have more 37 minutes to complete this candle. Give me a minute. No, already the previous candle has broken. There's a lower low has completed. Now here, since the market from the this like 4 hour resistance and the lower time frame here have got a lower low here, meaning that the trend has reversed. The market could go further down, and you can have a stop here, and then you can wait for the market to move till the support area here, or even here. So because there is two areas in which the market has consolidated here. So it's not necessarily that the market has to reach point to point. The market can turn back again, take up a resistance here, and then can fall back again. So the market could be jumpy anywhere, anywhere. So in case if you take a trade now, considering this the support to reach, it's 1:1 ratio. Again, this risk reward is 1:1. And I said we have to wait for the 4 hour trade, sorry, pattern to break for the proper direction. And this is the risky trades as well. So any trades below 4 hours, um, use your positions, not too big positions, have smaller positions based on your account size and then the risk. Don't trade it with the higher volumes. This is one which could be like 1:1 ratio. And or you can do one more thing is wait for that market to complete its lower low. Once it's done, it can go for lower high, then it can come for a lower low. Okay, so I'll mark them in black now. Okay, so this can come for lower low, then it can go for a lower high. Then from 1 hour, look for a trend reversal in the lower time frames, like anything like 15 or 30. In case if you feel lower trend in this area which I've marked in black, then in that position you can go for a sell and hold your position still here. Maybe the market can go up, right? So that is another swing. So whoever is it good in swing trading, so wait for the lower high to form, because it's like high, low, lower high, lower low. I don't know how far the market can go down. Then wait for lower high to generate. Once the lower high is done, keep monitoring for the trend to go down in lower time frames like 15 or 30 minutes. Once the trend goes down here, consider this your swing, use your fib targets, and then place your trades. That is also is possible, you can make it. If that happens, I will post that pattern as well, and then map this video links in that as well, so that we'll have a connectivity where to have. So there's support, sorry, the stop and then the take profit levels, in case if there is information happens here, I'll mention in that video as well. On a conclusive part, do not rush for any trades. Wait for the 4 hour pattern to complete or breakout, either up or down. Based on that, you can be on a buy or a sell side. So any trades that is less than 4 hour time frame, make sure that you be within this range bound to trade in, and don't use any higher volumes for the trades for time being till the 4 hours breakout happens. Happy trading. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.